Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are getting some work done on the Miata. So I decided I want to get a new battery for the car. So I got myself an AGM battery. I thought it would fit, ended up not fitting. I'll show you guys in a second. If I can get it to fit, the cables will be too short and I'd have to extend the cables, and that's a lot of work I do not want to do. I ended up getting a battery tray specific for this battery to put into the car. So this is a battery by Odyssey, and I had to do some funky stuff to get it to work. So I got this from Odyssey battery, and it should make it bolt up a lot nicer. I have to remove all of the Miata factory battery stuff, so let's see how this works. I'm not sure how it's going to fit. Now the issue why I'm doing this is because this will not pass autocross or in any track safety, and if this post right here touches any metal on the car while this battery is connected, it will destroy everything on the car. Every piece of electronics on the car will get fried. So I'm trying to do the safe thing here and do this the correct way. So let's go get started. Here. Oh, this fits. This one will fit. Spin it. Boom. Here like this. Reach. So now this has to fit. Yeah. Look at that. Okay. The issue I'm seeing here is there's a gap there. That's good. These two are fine. So I can mark these two, put a hole. I... Oh. New device when you got an engine.